she learned. And now, to say it forward, Dr. Joanne Gallardo.
So, I met my husband at 16. It took 11 years for us before we got married. And then we got married eventually. Doon sa haba ng relationship na yon, ang dami kong natutunan. So, naturally, ang daming nagtatanong sa akin for advices. So, ito po yung mga natututunan ko that I would like to share with you. Are you one of the young people looking for someone to love? I was back then. Not so much, pero na-realize ko halos lahat, there will come a time in their lives that they will look for somebody to love. So I have a few questions for you. Are you just attracted or really in love? Are you ready to love? Love is actually a decision. It's not an emotion. Hindi yung porke wala nang kumakabog-kabog sa dibdib mo, hindi mo na siya mahal. At hindi rin man porke kumakabog-kabog yung dibdib mo, eh mahal mo na siya. Baka naman crush lang or infatuation. Why not love your parents first? Eh, love ko naman na yung parents ko eh. Why not love God first? Sa amin, maaaring pinakilala ni Lord ang isa't isa sa amin at an early age. But I have realized that you need to love yourself first, love your parents, whom God has given you to cherish. Love God, first and foremost, kasi siya ang nagsishape ng buhay mo. Do that first, before you find that somebody. And I believe if you love the Lord, talagang ipapakilala na lang ni Lord yan sa inyo. Does that special someone embody 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8? Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It's not self-seeking. It's not easily angered. Sa mga henerasyon ngayon, napansin ko na ang daling magkatampuhan pag mag-boyfriend pa lang. Hindi lang naibigay yung gustong regalo, galit. Hindi lang nakapag-text, galit. Hindi lang nasabi yung tama, galit. Well, isn't that selfishness? If you feel na parang, paano naman ako, pakabig lagi yung tanong mo sa sarili mo, then maybe we're not ready. You're not ready to find that somebody to love. Love never fails. So are you ready to get married? When you are 16, the same question that I've asked, are you ready to get married? Hindi, crush ko lang naman yan eh. Gusto ko lang siya maging girlfriend, try lang. Well, wag na. It's not worth the time and effort and sa pasakit. Kasi kung ang gusto mo lang ay pakikipag-boyfriend just to experience, sayang naman yung future mo na nakalay ni Lord para sa'yo. Kung sa palagay mo ang sagot mo that you're not yet ready to get married, then don't. She or he might not be the one. I'm still asking for allowance sa parents ko. Yung pang-date ko, nihiram ko lang sa parents ko. Then huwag muna kaya. Ayaw siya ng parents ko eh. Diba? Sa aking experience, yung parents ko, yung mami ko most especially, ang naging tulay pa sa aming dalawa. I really think the Lord uses your parents to speak wisdom into your life. So cherish that. Kung hindi siya gusto ng parents mo, think twice. Does he or she love the Lord? Or nawan mo siya dahil pinilit lang? We have a term called missionary dating. That is, pinilit mong dalhin sa church para maging mahal niya si Lord. Para okay na siya. Para pwede ko na siya maging boyfriend. Sa experience ko po, sinabi ko na po sa inyo that we didn't have the same belief at the start of our relationship. Pero nakakatuwa po talaga dahil yung mami ko pang nagpakilala sa pastor kay James. And then afterwards, I just casually invited him to church. And nung nag-church kami, hindi ko kasama, hindi ko siya katabi or what. Tas inaantay ko lang. And eventually, he got to he got to feel the power of the Lord talaga sa kanyang buhay and eventually loved the Lord. So, napakaganda po noon dahil kung pinilit mo lang, emotions will get in the way. Di ba po? Usually, there will be someone who loved the Lord more at yung isa, nagpapakitang tao lang. And then, sasabihin niya, bakit ikaw hindi mo love si Lord? Love ko naman si Lord love din kita, date muna tayo. Sige na nga. So, medyo mahirap po yung ganong sitwasyon. Are you having trouble controlling yourself? Katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo at 11 years, nahirapan talaga kami, pero it's possible to control yourselves. If you are of the right age, I would advise, actually hindi ako mag-a-advise niyan. Si Pablo po ang nag-advise nito. 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 9. But if they could not control themselves, they should get married unless they burn with passion. So, kung nasa tamang edad po kayo. Pero kung 16 years old kayo, and you're burning with passion, ibang usapan na po yan. And I would advise na you get out of that relationship quick. It is better to marry than burn with passion. If not, it's better to call it quits and pursue the Lord again. He will mend your spirit. You can usually go to your parents and spiritual leaders for counsel. If you say, no, gagayahin ko na lang si Ate Joanne saka si Kuya James, welcome to the difficult road. Ang masasabi ko lang, do not expose yourself to any scenario which may entice you to sin. Ergo, ang term ko ulit na KKK, kataas-taasan, kasuluk-sulukan at kadilim-diliman, naiisip mo pa lang siya, huwag niyo nang puntahan. Huwag mo nang dalhin si girl doon. At wag kang pumayag na magpunta doon. And kahit, hindi naman kami nagsisini kahit sa kasuluk-sulukan ng bahay ninyo, huwag niyo din dalhin doon ang boyfriend mo or ang girlfriend mo. Because it will only open an opportunity to sin and dishonor the Lord. Always remember, whatever we do it as unto the Lord. Everything is permissible, but not everything is beneficial. Will the Lord approve of what you're doing or what you are planning to do? Believe me, you need to always ask the questions, Lord, is this honorable in your sight? For those who have not waited, I have friends na nagkaroon ng pagkakamali. You may have committed a mistake in the past. You would ask yourself, was it too late? If I already forfeited my sexual purity? Good question. Hindi mo naman na marireverse yan, but God is a forgiving God. And as long as you confess that sin to the Lord, He will be willing and able to forgive you and give you another chapter, another chance at that life. Kailangan mo lang i-resolve because sometimes temptations come in the way. Kailangan mo lang i-resolve na hindi mo siya uulitin uli and you will devote yourself to the Lord again. Maintain purity from this moment forward. Jesus told the woman na na-catch niya in sin sa John chapter 8 verse 11, go and sin no more. I believe the Lord will honor you for that.